Press. Huruf Mahmud. Today I am going to show you my favorite country flag car collection. I hope you like it. I try to open, but I can't. Baba, can you please help me to open this? Minu, please wait when Baba open, so I share cars with you, because I am super brother. Baba, can you cut this a little more?
Okay, Mahmud.
I am so excited. Thanks, Baba. I can't wait to open. Wow, these cars are so amazing. All cars are in primary colors: red, green, blue, yellow. We have total 8 cars in this pack. This one car is red and country flag is United Kingdom. It's a green car country flag, can you guess? Next is blue car with USA, America county flag. Yellow car with Rostov region flag. Baba, can I put my other's car with this collection? Now it's time for smash. Oh, who dinosaur also come here to join us? Minu also like creating mess. So guys, Minu here. I hope you understand what I want to say. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share.